Hi everyone, my name is Tasia and welcome to my channel. Today I will paint the lavender field on the hexagon canvas. Oil on canvas, gallery stretched 7 to 8 inches. You can see how bright and saturated they are. Also I painted on sides. I was painting looking at the photo that inspired me. I downloaded it from the free stock site, so you can download too. Link under the video, it's not sponsored. Also in the next video I'll paint the pier for this painting on the triangle canvas, inspired from the same picture. I took Madder Lake Red Permanent, Coral Pink, Cadmium Yellow Deep, Cobalt Green Deep, Celestial Blue, Ultramarine Light, quinacridone Lilac, Cobalt Violet Deep, Titanium White and Gold. And here is the short gamma of the painting: Madder Lake Red Permanent, Cadmium Yellow Deep, Cobalt Green Deep, Ultramarine Light, Cobalt Violet Deep and Titanium White. You can use only these colors and mix more, but some colors will not be clean that much. I'm using the Ferret Badger brush. I'm starting from the coral pink with white and some clouds, mixing with the cadmium yellow deep and cadmium yellow deep for some clouds. I mixed the ultramarine light with the titanium white for the clouds on top and some light pink clouds for the light. I'm painting the clouds by only the horizontal and vertical lines. I marked the horizon by the quinacridone lilac and also the perspective. I started from the shadows, cobalt violet with the cobalt green. I used the cobalt green deep with white for the highlights and some cadmium yellow deep for the road on the center. I used the palette knife in this long oval fish shape. I took some quinacridone lilac to make the highlights of lavender. Lilac and green are not mixing. Also I added some Madder Lake red into the quinacridone lilac. Also added to the sky to make the whole picture look in the same colors. I mixed light yellow color for the highlights of clouds and added them by the palette knife on the painting, and Madder Lake red too, also more pinks. So I added the structure by the palette knife, some red essence and more blue on the top, and in some more parts to make everything look more organic. Added some more structure on the bottom of painting, more darks, more violet dark parts and pure lights. So I added more pure colors and pinks too. For the road, I added more structure using the hand mixed around orange color. I used the gold for the essence only on the road, so I added a kind of lights there. Thank you for watching this video. I'm excited to hear your feedback.